no bomb me yesterday. Every girl you want designer. Them no bomb me yesterday. You know my love will cost you something. African bad boy.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. So yes, I'm back. I haven't filmed in like a million years, probably 3 or 4 months. I haven't filmed in a minute because life happened, but I'm back. I'm back like I never left. Well, I did leave, but welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please let's go ahead and do that. Wherever the subscribe button is on the screen, please do subscribe to my channel. So today I have this very simple look. Something very simple. I honestly don't want to do anything. I just want to film, but I don't want to get serious yet. I will get serious, but I just wanted something simple. And I haven't done a simple look on my channel in a minute. I mean, I've been doing it pretty much, of course, when I'm not filming, but I haven't done a simple look in a minute. So I felt like, this is the perfect time to just do something simple. So if you want to see how I achieve this really subtle, I think this is kind of Nicki Minaj inspired in terms of the eyeliner. So if you want to see how I achieve this Nicki Minaj inspired look, let's get into the video. So starting with my face, I'm going to prime my face with my Makeup Forever Smoothing Primer and my Becca Primer as always. This is sort of like my foundation routine, to be honest. It's like nothing has really changed, but it's just basically the face I'm doing today. So I just put the Becca foundation in my T-zone. Now I'm going to use my Born This Way foundation in Truffle. I love this foundation, you guys. This has been my holy grail. Like I took this foundation and my Fenty toner when I went to Nigeria, but I literally never used my Fenty once. I mean, I love Fenty, but this foundation, this is Bay right here. This foundation is just everything. It's like the perfect shade. It's anyway, so I blend that with my beauty blender, my damp beauty blender. Make sure to use a damp beauty blender. Now using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Chestnut, I'm just going to put that in the places I want to highlight. So basically my T-zone, my forehead, the bridge of my nose, underneath my eyes, and you'll see that I also put this on my entire eyelid. When I'm doing a basic look, I just put the concealer on my my eyelid without eyeshadow base. That's what I mean. And now I'm just going to blend. You want to take your time to blend. Of course, this is very sped up, so make sure to blend. I start out with the corners of the, as you can see, I start with the corners before I go inside, just so everything blends smoothly.
Them no bomb me yesterday. Every girl you want designer. Them no bomb me yesterday. You know my love will cost you something. African.
So now I'm using a combination of my Laura Mercier translucent powder in medium, that's the brown one, my Espon translucent powder, and my Black Radiance powder. Like, this combination is everything to me. The Laura Mercier medium is a bit dark for me. Like, if I want that highlighted look, it's a bit like too dark, so I mix it up. Now I'm gonna go into my Morphe 35OM palette. You guys know this is what I use to contour my face, so I'm just taking any of those dark shades, really, no preference, but you can see the ones that have heat pan. You know that those are the ones I mainly use, and I immediately clean underneath that with my powder. So I'm just gonna take that off. Sorry for the change in light, the lighting change. I'm just gonna dust that off immediately, and I'm gonna go with my MAC NW58 powder. I love this powder so much. It's like the perfect powder for me. I just make sure my entire face is blended properly. I like to go back with my contour powder to just bring out the contour and make sure my cheekbones are raised or whatever. But I just like to recontour and just make sure that everything is showing. And I'm also contouring my nose. And to do my brows, yes, I'm doing my brows today on camera. It's so easy, it's not any crazy step. This is all I use. I just use this Wet n Wild brow pencil, which I also use for my lips in pretty much every video. And I just create strokes on my brows. My brows are naturally sort of filled out in a way, just like the tail end that needs help. So I just usually focus on the tail end, and the rest I just fill them in, and I just brush it, and that is it. And then I'm going to use my Wet n Wild liquid liner, and I'm just going to create this wing. I do not like making wings, you guys. I think if you've been following me, you would know that I hardly do wings. I think I can count the number of times I've done looks with wings. And I just sort of follow my eye shape with this. I find that it has been very helpful doing that. And yes, it was a bomb wing. And I was able to create another bomb wing on the other eye, because sometimes it's good on one and it's not good on the other. Anyway, so I'm back to the face now. I'm just going to use this Juvia's Place. It's the blush palette, the number 2 blush palette, and I love this highlighter, you guys. It's just perfect. And I put it in my inner corners and my brow bone. You guys, if you don't highlight your brow bone, what are you doing? This thing takes a look to another level. I just go back with a pencil to sort of clean up anything, And now I'm highlighting my face. Usually I do like a double coat. I go in lightly at first, and then I go again lightly. And so now I'm going to my forehead, my chin, my cupid's bow, the bridge of my nose. You guys know the drill. And now I am going to use 1, 2, and 3 to blush. I'm just going to blush up my face. I first go with a combination of all 3, and then I go in with the pink. You'll see the darker pinkish one. And then I'm just going back with my highlighter brush to just make sure everything is showing. Also with my contour brush, just to make sure everything is showing. And this is Bay right here. This Scandinavia Bridal Setting Spray is everything. And I drench my face. I love setting. I can drink setting spray here, guys. And then I'm just going to use my Tarte mascara to put mascara on just the top of my eyes. As you guys can see, I did not even line my waterline. I just, like I said, it's Nicki Minaj inspired. It wasn't. I just thought I should just leave it like that, but then I figured, oh, she kind of does it like this too. And the same Wet n Wild brow pencil I use on my brows, I'm just going to use that on my lips. And now I'm using my Vino lip liner to also line my lips right on top of the Wet n Wild. This one I'm sort of bringing it in. And then I'm going to use my Tarte Cosmetics lipstick in Delish. This has become one of my favorite lipsticks because you guys know I love nudish looks. Like if it's a soft pink or brown, I don't know, but it's been long I wore actual lipstick a different color other than nude. And I'm just gonna go back and create this ombre look with the Vino lip liner. And now I'm going to apply these Sovereign lashes by Allure. They are amazing. You guys should check them out. I'm going to leave the link in the description box. And I'm just applying that with dual fiber glue, and you know, make sure it's tacky, like before you put it on your eye. If you put it immediately, you put the glue, it wouldn't really stick. So now we're done with the eyes. I was really confused about this the gloss to use. That was Peanut Brittle, and also I can't remember the other one, but I dropped Peanut Brittle. I always use Peanut Brittle, so I was like, you know what, let me just use this one. I used it once when I was in Nigeria and I loved it, so I was like, you know what, okay, let's try it again to see how it will work with this lipstick that I used. And yeah. It looks like it wouldn't work, but you blend, and eventually it settles, and you can see the difference it just made. Like, it would mix with the my overhead light fell down, and yeah, that happened. But I'm just sort of lining the lips again with this lips, bro. Doing the lips is so long, like it's a whole 5 minutes, dang. Anyways, making sure it's very well ombre, and we're done. So this is it, guys. Easy tutorial. So this is the finished look, guys. Like I said in the beginning, something very simple. You can see I really love how it turned out. Normally I would have put like a waterline or you know whatever, but I was like, you know what, I wanted to try it without the liner, because my eyes are, I feel like my eyes disappear with lashes, kind of. But I really love how it turned out. So let me know what your thoughts are, and let me know what you guys want me to film. If you have any requests, anything you want me to do, and if I can do it, I will do it. As always, guys, don't forget to live and not exist. Remember that God loves you, and I love you too. So bye, guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye.
He says right, not right.